Rainbow Learning.
Hi kids, today we're going to learn stationery things. Now put your stationery box and open it, and now learn the things. Pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Pencil is really important for us. Eraser, E-R-A-S-E-R, razor. Razor is also important. Sharpener, S-H-A-R-P-E-N-E-R, sharpener. Be careful to use sharpener. Rulers, R-U-L-E-R-S, rulers. Pen, P-E-N, pen. Scissors, S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. These scissors are for papers. Calculator, C-A-L-C-U-L-A-T-O-R, calculator. Crayons, C-R-A-Y-O-N-S, crayons. Color pencils, C-O-L-O-R-S-P-E-N-C-I-L, color pencil. Every kid like color pencils. I hope you enjoyed the video and also learned all the stationery things. Bye-bye, kids.
Like and subscribe for more videos.